what is a reading shown on this device? So this device here is called the micrometer screw gauge. So how do you read the micrometer screw gauge? You need to identify two scales. There is this scale here, it is called the mini scale, and there is this scale here, it is called the circular scale. So you say mini scale reading, all right, you add even there circular scale reading. How do you get the mini scale reading? So to get the scale reading, you say if this is 5, this is 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, and 8.5. So the mini scale is 8.5 millimeters. Okay, so this is in millimeters. Seen how you get the scale? You say 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5. This is a reading here. Then how do you find the circular scale reading? You look for a line which is coming straight here, horizontal, touching this scale. So it is this line which is straight here. So it's on what? 20, 21, 22. So you get the 22 that you have found here, this point. You say 22 times the accuracy 0.01. So 22 times 0.01, what do you find? 0.22 millimeters here. Then you add. You have 2 here. Okay, here you have 7.8 millimeters. Once you're done solving, you put your final answer here. You say 8.72. This was very simple, right? Then B was saying, what part is P? This P here, this is called the spindle. This is the spindle. All right, so you say, okay, P is the spindle. This paper is very simple. What is the function of the part, the board E, the ratchet? So the function of the ratchet is to adjust the reading and also to stop it when there is a click sound. So the ratchet is to adjust, okay, the reading and to make sure to stop it when there's a click sound. Give one precaution you will take before using the instrument. So before using this instrument, the precaution that you need to understand, you clean it before use, number 1. Number 2, you can say correct the zero error, meaning putting it back to 0. So this is the question that